Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a name correction in your birth certificate. First, you'll need to gather all relevant documents, especially your original birth certificate. Carefully identify the specific error you need to correct. Then, clearly determine the precise, correct name you want reflected on the official document. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth application process. Next, you'll need to compile essential supporting documents. This includes proof of your identity, like a current driver's license or passport. You'll also need evidence that supports the correct name, such as school records, marriage certificates, or other official documents. Finally, a sworn affidavit explaining why the correction is needed is often a key requirement. Once your documents are ready, it's time to submit your application. First, find your state's Vital Records Office or the appropriate government agency responsible for birth certificates. Carefully complete their official application form for name correction, ensuring all details are accurate. Be prepared to pay any necessary processing fees, which typically range from $15 to $30, depending on your location. After submitting your application, patience is key. Processing times can vary significantly, often ranging from a few weeks to several months, depending on the volume of requests. Once approved, your new, corrected birth certificate will usually be mailed directly to you. If you haven't received it within the expected time frame, don't hesitate to contact the Vital Records Office for a status update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.